Hello and welcome. Today we're checking out the sumdepot compact camping chair, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This ultralight folding chair features breathable Oxford fabric that keeps you cool even in hot weather. Its portable design folds small enough to fit into a backpack or car trunk effortlessly. The high back offers excellent support to reduce fatigue during long rests. Stability is enhanced by the unique frog foot design, keeping the chair steady on uneven ground. Key parts are reinforced with durable ABS nylon for long-lasting strength. Whether hiking, camping, or enjoying a festival, this chair combines comfort and convenience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.